Biggest phenom, but why does it have to be your shit?
Because I love you. Hello, turtles. Taylor Turtle here. And today we're on UHC Zone. I thought I just messed something up. And today we're on UHC Zone, and we are waiting for Blizzard to join us so we can play Team Speed UHC.
Fine. We're still on a team.
Oh, we are?
Yay.
I did that wrong. I already...
I'm Jesus!
Is that you? Okay.
What?
It's good.
There's
other people over there.
Taylor, I'm scared. Behind us. Let's go.
How many hearts is this person at? How many
coming.
hearts is Juan's Destiny at? Dude,
Coming.
they're running
They
away.
have 13. They have 13.
Kill them!
Help.
No, this isn't fair.
Yes. This random person in the lobby has some skin.
Squat.
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 There's someone squatting! Yes!
They left.
What?
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 Someone just said, OMG, it's Exposure Gaming.
In what lobby?
In UHC.
In UHC? Was someone kidding? Wait, what?
Wait.
What?
You actually watch my vids.
That's a lie. No one watched. No, I'm kidding.
I think I met my first fan.
OMG! It's Explosive Gaming. Did they say
Aw,
no?
man. Yeah.
I'm kidding. That's so funny. Hey, you got that on recording.
Baby sad. Upstairs, left corner. Oh, yay! Blister!
Yay! It's my chocolate bar. I want the chocolate. Chocolate. I remember when chocolate was invented back in my day. OMG, it's Blizzard Gaming.
JK.
Aw, just Josh.
I'm just
What?
joshing you. I'm just joshing you. What is this? Are you kidding me?
Nope. There's no effects. See, it's glitched.
I'm stuck. Dude, I'm already out of food because I've been running a freaking speed one. Is it on?
Is it? Are you betting? No, it's not you. That's too long of a name to be you.
Favorite types of
Radio.
pigs? They're called the leaf pigs.
Oh, the red leaf pigs.
The
The
leaf
red
pigs,
leaf pigs.
they're stuck inside of the leaves, and it's really easy for me to kill them because
Oh.
they don't move all over the place.
Oh, crikey.
Oh, crikey! It's the
I want to do an Australian accent. That'd be so sick.
Do it.
I can't do one. Oh, crikey, mate.
Listen to
What,
Song
mate?
Bobby.
Bloody hell.
Hey, I'm Bee.
You bloody
No,
wanker.
I don't want to mimic Bee in a video on her server.
You bloody
I'm
wanker.
mad at Dax. Yeah, that's it.
You bloody. Someone is.
I just fell into this. Holy freaking skellies!
I just fell into this hole.
Why? No!
I hate.
Yeah,
Judy, I'm out.
I'm legit about to die. Okay, I'm at 3 hearts. I'm literally.
I saw 2 spider jackies.